Hello everyone, welcome to Phone Edge with the latest and a unique designed phone of LG smartphone. We first heard about the LG Wing in the first half of the year with the murmurings that the firm was working on a wacky form factor. The idea of a phone with a smaller second screen that pops out from the back sounded really outlandish. But it's real and it's finally here. What should you expect from this offbeat smartphone? Here's what you should know about the LG Wing. The LG Wing is the first phone in the manufacturer's Explorer project, promising innovative designs in the smartphone space. Of course, the dominant design feature here is the second screen that pops out from the back to sit at a perpendicular angle to the main screen. But another noteworthy design decision is a 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera hidden at the top of the rear half. Meanwhile, the LG Wing's core specs are Snapdragon 765G chipset with 5G, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage and a 4000 mAh battery. The chipset in particular isn't quite flagship level, but LG is hoping that the camera experience is. The Wing packs a rather interesting rear camera setup featuring a 64 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide big pixel camera. LG says you also have a gimbal motion camera feature which allows you to use the second screen as a grip and delivers a suite of capabilities to the 12 megapixel camera. Some of the touted photo or video capabilities in this regard include a joystick for controlling the camera angle, a lock mode to reduce blur and judder, follow functionality for smoother video when on the go, a pan follow mode for horizontal movement and a first person view mode for rhythmic and dynamic movements. The LG Wing hasn't received a specific US price just yet, although the firm told us it would cost roughly $1,000. The company says the phone will be available in the US via Verizon at first, followed by AT&T and T-Mobile. LG adds that pricing, availability, specs and color options will vary by network. The phone can be used in a so-called basic mode or in the swivel mode, with the former seeing the 3.9-inch second screen hidden away and operating like a normal phone. Pop out the screen for swivel mode, and LG says certain apps can be used across both screens or two apps can be used at once. One early pre-release clip showed the main screen being used for GPS navigation while the second screen handled a call and music. A second pre-release video showed a racing game playing beat on the main screen and the game's track layout on the smaller screen. LG also gave the example of watching a video on the main screen while texting on the second display, or watching a video on the big display and getting media controls on the smaller screen. There's no word on the number of apps that currently support the LG Wing, but we will hopefully see adoption improve over time. For what's it worth, the LG second screen accessory hasn't seen much adoption for developers. LG is also offering a multi-app feature that echoes a similar feature seen on the Galaxy Fold and the Surface Duo lines. This will allow you to create shortcut to quickly launch a desired pair of apps. If you want to watch a local video while browsing the web, you could theoretically create a shortcut to open your video player and browse in one go. So that's all for the LG Wing review. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video, share it and comment as well. Stay tuned with Rahul on Phone Edge.